Here's a little token to show my appreciation for you, Ina, a VTuber who brought me more joy than any other. Oh, thank you. By the way, what did the man who ate a computer say? Well, this took more than a megabyte to finish. Alright. I should get a soundboard. Like the soundboard. I actually asked Yofi Senpai, if you were to see yourself in a different outfit, what would it be? Asking for a friend. And then she said, surprise me. Tell your friend that. So darn it, I wanted some ideas. So I guess I'll just get doodling. See where it takes me.
A few moments later.
Before we continue, pause the timer. I'm going to go get my senbei. I'm gonna go get my senbei before my stomach starts to speak out again. I'll be back. Why are you guys posting cucumbers again, huh? I told you guys to behave. You guys didn't behave. Yeah, I forgot. I forgot where I put the senbei, so it took a while to find it.